What is going on, everyone? MD14 back here with you, and I'm here to show you the newly announced Yeti GX by Logitech G. The Yeti GX is a premium RGB gaming microphone powered by USB and also powered by Lightsync. Here are the key features with the Yeti GX. It's a premium RGB gaming mic powered by Lightsync with custom dynamic capsule and advanced software that delivers serious audio performance via USB. Designed specifically for gamers, the new broadcast-style dynamic mic capsule uses a super-cardioid pattern that ignores key clickings and focuses on your voice. Use Lightsync to control two separate RGBs, light zones on a mic, and sync them with Logitech G. It uses blue voice filtering and effects, of course, and also has something called a Smart Audio Lock. Smart Audio Lock smartly adjusts your gain by using an analog limiter to prevent clipping and a downward expander to reduce ambient background noises. The sleek, gamer-friendly design Yeti GX is a studio-quality USB mic with a bold, clean aesthetic of G gaming gear. Alright, let's talk about what comes inside the box. Basically, here's what comes inside this box over here. Here's the microphone right over here. Let me just put this down here. Here's the microphone with the lovely label right over there. I'm going to have some close-up shots you should see right now. And then also here's the LED part of it as well. Basically, here's the microphone. Here's the USB-C charger as well. The bolt to put into your, you have a stand or anything like that as well. And that is pretty much, oh wait, that's not it, there's more. And then of course, whoop, almost dropped it, the stand that it comes with as well. I may have put this on a little backwards, or actually I have it. Oh, you know what this is? This is for if you want to put it on your own arm and everything like that. So they give you the adapter for that right over here. I'm just going to get a little bit closer. There it is. Here's a little bolt that they give you. Basically, stop focusing on me. There you go. And then here's the stand that comes with it. Basically, this goes on together. This is pretty heavy actually, so this is not moving anywhere. And then you can have your, let me put this down, let me put this down. I'll put these two together. Very simple. And then your little knob right here to turn it, to make it nice and loose. It's pretty small. My hands, pretty big hands and everything like that. Hands a little bit bigger than it. But you'll just have the microphone just like this, and then the super-cardioid will be picking up your voice nice and cleanly. How does that sound? Actually, well, let's plug it in and find out. As you can see, once plugged in, the lighting is coming on right here. As you can see right here, the lighting is turning on. There's a different options you can put it on as well if you wanted to. This lights up for you as well. And of course, the infamous G. the G also lights up for you as well. Alright, so this is how the microphone sounds right now with using 50% gain. You can also raise the gain up either using the G Hub, or I know most of you are like, oh, I don't want to use too many softwares, I'm trying to save some resources. You can actually change your gain using this right here. As you can see, the green means good, and if you actually raise it up right now, which I'm not going to do to you guys because it's going to sound absolutely bad, because I'm going to, you'll hear my cat running around like a mad lady right now and other background noises. It basically opens up your gate, and you could basically bump it up to 100% if needed, but it will actually flash red if you started to peak. So for any reason you have to raise up the gain, you can do that with this simple scroll wheel right over here. And basically, if you happen to be peaking, it will start flashing red. Just to give you like a little notification, which is a very, very nice touch. I kind of wish all microphones had this feature. That way you don't have to worry too much if it's picking up too much, or your gate, or you're peaking too much. A very, very nice touch. Well done, Logitech, on that part right there. As you can see, here's the lighting right here. You change it to any lighting patterns you want to, any combinations, using the Lightsync. Okay. And then of course as well, the G also lights up as well, which you could also set it up as well. Actually, I think the G goes along with this, to be honest. So whatever you set this to, this would be that. Not 100% sure. I'll look while I'm in between shooting here, if you cannot, and I'll note the difference and everything like that. Now I'm pretty sure you're wondering, how does this sound compare to this microphone, which is also a Logitech product as well. And this is how this microphone sounds compared to this one. Keep in mind, this is a USB microphone, and this one's a Go XLR, so you need Go XLR. This one is an XLR microphone, so you need a Go XLR or something similar to that to use, while this one is just plug and play to your computer, which is absolutely amazing. I think this one also sounds really good. This is really good for traveling if you wanted to, as well. As very light, but yet the weight right here is very good, so that you won't like easily knock it over, or if you have a crazy cat running around like I do right now, who may knock some stuff over as well. I do like the lighting touch to it, and yeah, it's overall a solid product. Overall, this is a very solid microphone. For what you're getting for $149.99, you're getting a lot of cool functions, and this is a very professional gaming microphone by Logitech G. If you want to grab it or check it out yourself, there's a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. I'd like to let you guys know that. Of course, it does help me out at no additional cost. If you want to use promo code MD14 as well to save 10% off, you can do that on top of that. Like I said, it does help me out. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think about it? Let me know what you guys thought about the video as well. If you want to see any other features, let me know. I'll try to accommodate you guys, of course. I'm very happy to do so. And look forward to more videos coming from me. I got some cool stuff booking up for you guys. Huge thanks for Logitech for sending this over for me earlier before the release, so I could have this review up and ready for you guys when it was properly announced. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a like down below. Leave a comment, good or bad, if you like it or not, so that we can have a nice healthy conversation. Hit that subscribe button to look forward to more content from me. It does help me out and let me continue what I'm doing as well. And yeah, just have a good day. As always, everyone, have yourself a good one.